Guys, it's Ava, and today on Ava's Steel Hammer is freestyle. So I'm going to be doing a video where my gymnastics doll is going to do her gymnastics. So let's get started. Whee! Today is the day where I get to throw my ribbon in the air. Ready? Here I go. Oh. Guys, my cat is trying to get the ribbon. Let's do it again. Come over here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Kitty, 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 kitty. Ready, guys? He's gonna do it again. Okay, so that was my video of my cat torturing my gymnastics doll. Bye.